Hey, so this is how fast EasyChatDesk widget will come online after you switch it online from the agent dashboard. So this is my dashboard. This is the change online status. So you will be able to see the change here. Right now it says leave a message because all agents are offline. So I will change the status right now from my dashboard, and right now it automatically changed like under a second. And right now my agent is online. I can see the active users. This is me. I can start the chat. You see a chime, and right now I can chat with the customer. See, it's already working. So I'm going to close the widget, and it ended the chat here. So yeah, that's how the chat widget works. It's very easy to integrate. Just copy paste the code that's given here. Nothing very hard to do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.